How to fix UKG Workforce Central App not working. Let's get started. UKG Workforce software is a set of tools that companies use to increase overall efficiency and productivity among employees. Efficient workforce management software matches the right employee to the right job and allows management to effectively oversee employee operations. In the case you are facing issue in this app, you can apply the solution. Solution 1. Update the app. For that, open your App Store. Now search for the app UKG. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards Solution 2, open your settings. Scroll down, head towards the option of General. Open this option iPhone Storage. Now from here, you have to find the app UKG. Once you find it, open it. Now click on the option of Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards Solution 3, you have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, long press on the app. Different options will pop up. Click on Remove app. Click on Delete app. Click on Delete. Once you delete this app from your device, launch your App Store, search for the app and install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix UKG Workforce Central App not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.